Hello students, in this class we will study about the factors which affects the distribution of population. So first one is geographical factors and secondly there are some economic, social and cultural factors which also help in distributing population. So coming to the geographical factors which include relief, climate, soil, water and resources. The areas having a pleasant climate attract the people more, but the places like deserts, polar regions and dense forests are generally sparsely populated. Likewise, people also prefer to settle in areas where water is readily available. Now talking about other factors like economic, social and cultural factors which also help in distributing population. For example, the countries which have a stable government or the countries which have the facilities for housing, education and health, people tend to concentrate in these areas as compared to other areas. In most countries, there has been a shift from rural to urban area mainly to earn more money or for a better living. So like this, all these factors help in distribution of population. Now we will learn about causes of growth of population and its impact. Firstly, let us talk about the causes of the growth. We understand that growth of population is a major problem. We frequently hear people saying that overcrowding is happening, people are too many in number. So let us understand what causes this kind of growth. So the causes are, first is birth rate, death rate and migration. These are the causes of growth of population. Now let us look at them individually. First is the birth rate. Now birth rate is nothing but the way people are added or like babies are born. Birth rate is a number of live births for 1000 people in a year. It is right now 19 babies per 1000 people in an entire year. If birth rate is high, it helps in the growth of population. This is the first thing. So this is the first thing. Now we will be talking about death rate. The death rate is nothing but the number of deaths per 1000 people in a year. That means it is a rate in which people die. That is 7 people per year per 1000 people in our country. Now finally talking about migration. Migration is nothing but the population increased by the addition of people from other places. This is because people move for better employment opportunities and for security. So migration also has a huge role in population growth. Now we have seen the different causes for the growth of population. Now let us understand what are its impact. So talking about impact, the first one is the employment, second one is food and third one is development. These impacts are due to growth of population. So whenever there is a growth of population, the unemployment increases, the people become poor and this is a problem caused due to population growth. Also food becomes very scarce. Development activities should also increase. The new buildings should be made so that there should be no overcrowding and there should not be any problem. So these are the causes of growth of population and its impact. Now let us take a quick recap. First we discussed about geographical factors. Then we discussed economic, social and cultural factors which help in distribution of population. Then we have learnt about the causes of growth of population and its impact. There we have also discussed about the terms like birth rate, death rate and migration. So that's all for today. Till we meet next time, all the best and keep learning.